Vietnamese chicken skewers are a popular street food known for their signature sweet, savory, and aromatic flavor. In this video, I'll share with you a few tips how to make juicy, tender chicken with a beautiful glossy finish and incredible flavor. Whether you are grilling outdoors or using an air fryer at home, this recipe is easy to follow and delivers amazing results. Let's get started. Here I have 7 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Then cut them into bite-sized pieces. And place them in a bowl and set aside. Next, let's prepare the aromatics. You will need 50 grams of shallots and 30 grams of garlic and 50 grams of lemongrass. I'll roughly chop everything. Then give it a quick blend until finely chopped. You can also add 1/3 cup of milk at this stage. The milk adds extra flavor and keep the chicken tender. You can add it now or later when mixing the marinade. I like adding it now because it picks up more of the aromatic flavor while everything is being blended. Now let's make the marinade. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of water. You can use warm or hot water to help the sugar dissolve faster. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. I'm using this brand of fish sauce, but if you are using a different brand, feel free to adjust the amount to suit your taste, since the saltiness can vary from brand to brand. 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, 2 tablespoons of cooking syrup. The cooking syrup helps keep the chicken moist and give it a nice glossy finish. If you don't have cooking syrup, you can substitute it with honey. Then transfer the blended aromatics to a piece of cheesecloth. And squeeze out as much liquid as possible. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can use the fine mesh strainer and brush down on the aromatics to extract the liquid. These aromatics are an essential part of Vietnamese grilled meat marinade. Without them, you won't get that signature Vietnamese barbecue flavor. And here is 5 spice powder. Just 1 pinch is enough. Don't add too much because the flavor can easily overpower the lemongrass, shallots, and garlic. A small amount really helps boost the flavor and make the meat much more aromatic and delicious. Add the marinade to the chicken. Mix well and let it sit for at least 1 hour. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can also marinate it in the fridge overnight. It will taste even better the next day. I often marinate them overnight, sometimes even for 2 or 3 days. Before skewering the chicken, soak the bamboo stick in water to keep them from burning on the grill. Now let's make the sweet and sour fish sauce, dipping sauce. 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, a quarter cup of fish sauce. I use the same brand of fish sauce as in the marinade. 2 teaspoons of lamb juice. This is the way I like it, but feel free to adjust the flavors to your family's taste. Finally, add the minced garlic and chili. I like to add them at the end so they stay floating on top instead of sinking to the bottom. I recommend using medium heat when grilling. This gives the chicken time to cook through while preventing it from burning too quickly. If you prefer, you can also cook it in the air fryer. These chicken skewers come out tender, juicy, and full of flavor. After marinating, the chicken absorbs all the sweet and savory goodness. They roll up with a beautiful caramelized and glossy finish. You can enjoy them with everything from rice to noodle to crunchy banh mi. And the sweet and sour fish sauce really brings everything together. Whether with rice, noodles, or banh mi, just spoon it over and enjoy it. Or simply add a dipping sauce on its own. This is sure to satisfy your cravings. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you make it at home, let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.